What's up guys, it's Pokemon Master 817 and I have another booster pack opening video. I have this pack that comes with 3 packs, a coin and a promo card. And I also picked up a more older pack, Next Destinies. And these are Phantom Forces. I'm going to start off with the Next Destiny. Alright, first we got a Muna, C-Dot, Pikachu, Darumaka, Panpour, Kirlia, Jigglypuff, Mienshao, Reverse Fungus, and the rare Semipour. Alright, I'm gonna get right into this Phantom Forces. Got this Pikachu coin. This promo Darkrai. And we have 3 packs. Mega Gengar, Diancie, Mega Manectric. I'm going to start off with Diancie. First we got Venonat, Frillish, Rock'n'Rolla, Skarmory, Alomomola, Versus Seeker, Loudred, Hand Scope, Reverse Rare Diggersby, and the rare is Full Art Gengar EX. This is what I was going for. Good shit. That is nice. First Phantom Forces pack. Alright. That is nice. Great pull. Alright. Mega Manectric. That is exactly what I was going for. In my last video, I got Secret Rare Mega Gengar EX, so now I can use them. And you can click on the link, and you can watch my Elite Trainer Box Phantom Forces opening. And you can like that, subscribe. Alright, Swirlix, Zubat, Wishmer, Murkrow, Fletchling, Klefki, Fletchinder, AZ, Reverse Frillish, and the rare is Crobat, non-holo. Alright, the last pack in this 3-pack promo coin box. Alright, first we got a Joltik, Dedenne, Purloin, Helioptile, Carberblast, Croconaw, Manectric Spirit Link, Sliggoo, reverse hollow rare Honchcrow, and the rare is Diggersby, non-hollow. Alright, appreciate watching. Got a great pull. Gengar Full Art EX. Subscribe, like, and I will be having more openings. I'm thinking about getting a Plasma Series Elite Trainer box, but who knows. But for sure, subscribe for more. Deuces.